Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced not eligible for migration error. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, this tutorial right here will work for both a PC and console, or whatever device you're currently using. Okay, so first up, go to find Rockstar Games Launcher, sign out, and then once that's done, just sign back in. Also, for your other launcher, okay, it could be Steam, Epic Games, or wherever you have downloaded GTA 5. Sign out right here or change account, then sign back in. And then once that's done, go ahead and start GTA 5, enhance right here, and check if it helps. Now, another option is just by simply closing the game completely, then go ahead and restart your PC or console. And then once that's done, go ahead and try to play it again and check if it helps, as server issues are common. Now, when you go ahead and hit on play, okay, for example, you are currently in game. Now, if prompted to migrate upon first launch, okay, skip it for now. Then go ahead and create a new character. Play for a few minutes, then attempt to migrate in the pause menu or via the online tab. Now, if that still won't work, close the game. Go ahead and open up your launcher. It could be Steam right here or Epic Games again. Just go ahead and find the game, right click on it, click on Properties. Go to Installed Files and verify integrity of game files. Once that's verified, okay, for both Epic Games and Steam, go ahead over to the Steam settings or Epic Games settings. Go ahead and find Downloads, okay, and find Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache. Oh, this one will take some time. Just patiently wait. I will just reload Steam, okay. Just wait for it and then go ahead and play GTA 5 and check if it helps. If those steps, okay, doesn't help, here are common reasons for ineligibility, okay. First up, you might be banned or your account must have been suspended. Second one, the legacy account hasn't made enough progress to be eligible. A third one, the account has already been transferred. Okay, you might want to go ahead and double check. And also lastly, you cannot migrate between different console families. For example, Xbox to PlayStation. You should be able to play it or migrate via Xbox to Xbox, PlayStation to PlayStation, PC to PC. All right, and there you have it. That is how you fix GTA 5 Enhanced not eligible for migration error. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.